Hello, it is Sam. I'm from CKS Fan. Today, I'm here to introduce you one of my top-selling fan, that is gift card circulation fan. That fan using in agriculture, farm, and having journeys, and also stock farming. So now, let's go with me. It is my circulation fan embedded production workshop. It is our gift card circulation fan motor production line. It is our painting area. All the fan painting on painting area. It is our gift card circulation fan production line. And on the side, we assembling on these areas. For this fan, we have 4 sides. One is 8 inch, 12 inch, 20 inch, and 24 inch. And also we can make different type of colors for these fans. And we make is the quality technique.